Guten Tag, was ist los, Leute? Ich heiße Kimmermann und herzlich willkommen auf meinem Kanal Kimmermann Gunpla Studio. Today we will talk about the different handsets for your Gunpla, and I have here the handset from Dalin, which is a third-party model kit accessory provider, and this came from China. So I've been using this handset only once for one kit that I have, which is the Gundam Age 2 Dark Hound. And to be honest, this has a pros and cons also when you apply it to your kit. Not every kit or not all kit can benefit in this handset, because number one consequence for this kit is it cannot hold weapons that are large and heavy, because the joints from this finger for this accessory is very loose. It cannot grip, and it's very smooth, but it cannot grip. This is just perfect for expressive poses. If you want your kit to have expressive poses, this is perfect to apply. But if you are going to put this in kits that has a heavy weapons or big weapons, this is useless, to be honest. Unless that weapon has a peg or it has a hole on the weapon handle, you can apply the peg on the palm of this accessory and can be able to hold the weapon. So let's check this accessory and let's see what's inside. So I have here different style of Dalin hands, and for Filipinos who are watching my vlog, nabili ko ito sa Shopee at ito yung store. Papakita ko kung saan ko store to nabili. So ang presyo nito is mga 400, around 450 more or less. So medyo may kamahalan sa iba, pero sa akin mura na to. So puntahan nyo tong store na to na papakita ko para dito kayo bumili. Okay, so I have here different handset for 1/100 scale. So obviously I collect 1/100 scale. You can see here 1/100. So we have here the gray, metallic gray hands. I have here white, pure white hands here, and this one mixed with the white on the dorsum part of the hand, and the hand is black. I have here the Barbatos Lupus claw hand. This is different. This is claw, meaning there are sharp nails for this kit. Then this one, the regular hand, and this one is claw hand also, but it differs in color from the Barbatos Lupus Rex hand style. So this is a style for Barbatos Lupus. This one you can apply to Mercury aerial full mechanics from the Witch of Mercury, or any badass looking kit that you like to have a claw. You can apply this. So I want to apply another articulated hand for this kit, this Supernova heavy arms, because as much as possible I don't like crappy hands for this, because this heavy arms doesn't hold his weapon. There are pegs on both forearm for this, be able to apply this Maschinengewehr or the machine guns. So the kit doesn't have to hold the machine gun because it has a peg, so the hands can be freely available. So I like to put the articulated hand for it to have an expressive mood. So I will choose this metallic gray, since the available stock hand for this is metallic gray. So there we can see the crappy interchangeable hands here, and we will replace it with this normal handset, this articulated handset. So let's open this one and let's see the contents for this. By the way, the instruction manual for this kit is behind the box, so it doesn't have any paper included inside. You can see it behind the box. So how to assemble this, it's very easy, to be honest. I already assembled one kit of this, and it's very expressive, it's very nice, but unfortunately it cannot hold or grip heavy weapons. So let's see it. Let's look on this kit here. So if we open this, it's on the tray, plastic tray. We have here two sets of fingers. So we have here the thumb. We have here the thumb and the four hand finger like this. So the thumb is separated. It's obviously bigger than the four fingers. The four fingers here are identical. They are with the same length. Unlike the normal human hand, you can see this is much longer. Than the two are almost the same height, and the pinky fingers shorter. But this one, these are all of the same length, size. And then we have here the palm. This is the palm of the hand, where you will attach detach this from this runner and attach this here, and then apply the dorsum part of the hand, which is this one. And then it's up to you to choose which size of peg or the ball joints you're going to use based on the model kit you have. So we can compare it here on the stock model hand ball joint. You see, okay, we can compare it. So I will use this old runner here from the other kit. So just choose or match the size for you to compare it. Okay, those gets, let's build this. Okay, so we need to put these fingers into places, to the rightful places. Good thing I'm using this visor. Okay. Little bit tight as well. That's why I had a hard time arranging this, especially the right hand. This is the left hand. Okay. So now this finger is already attached, and there we have the hands here. So we have the thumbs attached here. Yep. And there's a peg hole there. It's up to you if you want to apply the peg there, if the weapon has a hole or socket for peg. But if it doesn't have, no need to do so, because it will hinder the handle for your sword or your gun for this kit. So now, yep, it has a good expressive style hands. You can make it as a fist, but right now I'm still adjusting the finger joints because it's still new. Okay. So like this you can do so. It's like gripping pose, this shot, and there you can do the OK pose there. And let me just reiterate that you have a peg guidelines here for the sizes, so you will not have a hard time looking for the correct sizes. For example, this one we have for the D5 we have the 4.0 millimeters. For this D9 we have the 4.2 millimeter, 4.5, 4.8, and we also have this bar size or tube peg like this. So if your kit doesn't have a ball joint socket, you can use this peg tube here, or the peg socket like this. We have the big one and the small one. This is just about the size of Kotobukiya or Moderoid, as I measure, because I used to measure the peg such like this into my Moderoid Dan of Thursday, and there, as you can see, there's this Moderoid peg. It can be placed on one of the clips there. This is compatible with the Moderoid peg there, so very nice. Okay, so since I measured the size of this heavy arm here, the size is 4.0 millimeter, so let's choose the 4.0 millimeter. This one, size 6 or peg 6. It's a little tight, but surely it will grip well in the hand. Yes, you can hear the click. Okay, let's try applying it here in this Gatling gun handle. So there we can apply the hand, then wrap the fingers on the handle. You can adjust the, sorry, I didn't focus it there. Okay, you can focus it there, or place the thumb there. Unfortunately, the space for the Gatling gun handle is very little small, so this hand cannot enter fully. So what I can do is just wrap the finger like this there. So the bad side of this is the hand cannot grip the Gatling gun due to the size of the dorsum part of the hand. So this is useless, but fortunately there's a peg here for the Gatling gun, which can be attached to the forearm, so it's not necessary for the hand to do the wrappings like this, because there will be peg that can be attached to the Gatling gun. No need for this. No need for manipulation like this. But what I can do is to apply this to the heavy arms like this. Noisy kids outside. Shad. Okay. So now I already attached it, and my heavy arms does have an expressive hand. Very nice. See, he can use his point finger to point at the enemy, do some ray gun pose, and there he can use this manipulator here to make some expressive gestures like this 30 finger sign. Okay, so this is what I'm saying. This Gatling gun doesn't need to be wrapped with the hands, because it has pegs there, so we can just apply the peg there, and I cannot see the hole. Okay, so the Gatling gun is being attached there without holding by the articulated hand. So this will just be a design for my expressive mode for the heavy arm. See, he can do some expressive hand gesture there, and that's it. So again, if you like to buy this Dalin expressive hands for your model kit, you may do so. I will put the link on the screen, and it's up to you to buy. For Filipinos, guys, bili na kayo dyan kung gusto mong bumili, and murang-mura lang. Okay, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, Dankeschön, tschüss, take care. Dalin hands, you can use this, very nice, articulated hands.